Hey everyone, so I am installing some brand new seats into my Audi A3, my 2015 A3. So I just want to kind of document how I did this to make sure that the airbag light stays off. So see, you have here, this is the seat sensor, the seat occupancy sensor. Unfortunately, you can't buy these individually. So what I did was I ended up buying a seat base on eBay. Took it out. Here's the heated part. The other seat occupancy part is on here, and it's two pieces, so you pull off really hard and then you get it. Try not to break anything for obvious reasons. So yeah, so if you want to put the heating element back into the seats as well, you can use this one or take it from your stock seats. So here's my passenger side seat. But I didn't want to ruin the seat base, so that's why I bought this second one. This is from a 2014 MK6 Jetta, I believe. So it's basically using the same seat occupancy sensor as on the stock non-sport seats in the A3. So to take this all out, if you do use your stock sensors, it's really kind of complicated. You take the leather off of here. There's a bunch of little pins that you have to take out. These things right here to release it from, there's a rod that pushes this leather down into the actual like foam part so it stays in place. So after doing that, I realized that, you know, if I ever use these again, the leather is going to be messed up. So that's why I went with the MK6 Jetta seat base. So anyways, back to the seat. So here I've taken it out. I cut off the front piece that's right here. There's another piece, so I cut them off right here. I'm using this cardboard piece too, so as I put this underneath these, hopefully it'll distribute the force a little bit, so then that way you know, this actually triggers if someone's sitting on it, because if not, if you don't use a seat occupancy sensors, or you just kind of put them underneath a chair, if you do get into a car accident, the airbags might most likely not go off. So I kind of want to make sure that you know, these things work. So now they are both in. I got the seat occupancy sensor underneath, and then using this cardboard on top. You know, if you have some better ways, go ahead and put down in suggestions. But, you know, for